stamping friends. Today I'm going to share with you how to mount the labels for stamps for a cling stamp set. It's not difficult, and the cling stamp sets that Stampin' Up sells right now do come with the labels not attached, and you have your rubber for the stamp. So it's not, like I say, it's not difficult, but it does take a bit of time. So I'll start with taking them out of the base, and I do keep the base because I like to keep mine back in here even after I've used them. So you do have to peel off this layer, and that I do not keep. Then I would go to my labels and find the one. That one is that one, obviously. And on the back, they do have a slit cut in them so that you can peel these pieces off. And once you do that, this is very, very sticky. So I'm careful not to adhere anything to that. Once I have that peeled off, I can line this up, and once it sticks, it is stuck. So I carefully lay it on there, and most of the time it's exact. And there's your stamp. You can see this is over a little bit. I have read where some of the demos will cut, and see it is missing a little bit here, so it wasn't quite lined up straight, but cut a little bit of it off here so that you can peel it off your block easier. I don't usually have an issue with that. So when you have a block, then you put it on, whether you put it on that way or whether you lay it down and put your block on it, either way it will stick for the most part. To peel it off, you don't want to just grab up here and pull, because that will separate it. So I do have fingernails, so I'm able to slowly release it like that. If you don't have nails like that, you could certainly use the Take Your Pick tool, which has a pointed end. And again, just go over that again. So once it's on your block, you could carefully raise the edges like that with your Take Your Pick tool and peel it off. So I would then, in my case, because of the way I like to keep them, I would place it in here. And yes, those will stick to the case. Some people don't keep this outside edge, or they use it for something else. It's a matter of personal preference. And also, some people do not do the whole set. They only do the ones they're going to use. I do like to do the whole set. Then I do not keep this page. It's of no use to me. And I have my whole set mounted. So I will carry on and do that. But I don't need to take any more of your time showing you that. Just thought I'd share that tidbit with you today.